So up until now, we've looked at hydrocarbons and these organic compounds as being straight chained, but they don't have to be straight chained. Carbon compounds can form rings. So normally when we look at a 3-carbon compound, we'd say, look at something like this, propane. 3 carbons in a straight line, carbon forms 4 bonds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And every bond that isn't bonded to a carbon is bonded to a hydrogen. This carbon's got 2 bonds, so it needs 2 more. So there's going to be a hydrogen on both of those. And this carbon on the end has got 1, so it's going to have 3 hydrogens. So there's a straight chain hydrocarbon, that's propane. Well, it doesn't have to be a straight chain. Those carbons can form a ring. Now, same as before, each carbon forms 4 bonds. Now, this carbon's already got 2 bonds, so it needs 2 more, and we need a hydrogen on the end of each of those. This carbon's got 2 bonds, so we need 2 more. Hydrogen on the end of each of those, that carbon, 2 bonds. Hydrogen end of each of those. So this compound will be called not propane, but cyclopropane. And 4-carbon ring, well, a 4-carbon straight chain will be butane. We're going to draw these in a square now. And again, we just need a couple of extra hydrogens on each of those to make it all come together. And straight chain will be butane. So this will be cyclobutane, and you can do the 6-carbon ring. Well, I draw 6 carbons into a ring. You can then put some, should be a hexane, a hexagon, that really, but I haven't drawn it very well, have I? So should we try and draw that again just quickly? Carbon, let's try and actually get a shape of a hexagon this time. That's a bit better, isn't it? I was trying to do it too quickly. And again, each of these is going to have 2 hydrogens. Each carbon is going to have 2 hydrogens on it. Okay, so you can fill those in. I'm not going to do all those now. Now draw a hydrocarbon with a 4-carbon ring where there is a double bond. So instead of an alkane, we're going to have an alkene. So 4 carbons again in a square. Okay, this time we need a double bond. Now remember, each carbon forms 4 bonds. So this carbon here has got 1, 2, 3 already. It just needs 1 more. This carbon has got 1, 2, 3 bonds. Just needs 1 more, so we put a hydrogen on that. This carbon here has got 2 bonds, so it needs 2 more. Hydrogen on both. This carbon here has got 2 bonds, so it needs 2 more. Okay, and there's our cyclobutene. And there's a little bit about ring structures.